Kia ora te whānau. Today I'm going to share with you how to use bokashi in a raised bed garden. At our whare we recently moved a garden bed to a sunnier patch and filled it with some branches and weeds. And then we've refilled some of the old soil, and I know it's in need of a bit of a boost of life. So what better way than to do it than to use bokashi. So these are my food scraps that have been pickling for a couple of weeks. And as you can see, there's some white mould on the top, and that's a really good sign of fermentation. So what I'm going to do is use this liquid that's gathered in the bottom bucket later as a liquid fertilizer. But for now, we're just going to add this bokashi solids as a layer into the garden bed, so as to add all that nutrient-rich microbiology, life basically, into the soil. So what I do is I spread it and mix it in with a bit of the soil, and all, because what it's doing is kind of going to have a party with all the microbes that are already in the soil, and activate them, bring them back to life and add more nutrients in. So we're going to cover what we've added with more soil, so that I'm going to fill the bed with what's left in this soil, and then cover it with some mulch, leave it for a few weeks, ready for planting. Kia ora.